ABS airbags.
Engine.
Select
Manual.
controller. Federal or California?
Federal. Four-wheel. Good morning, everybody. You got the old Mongo Man down here at Rowdy's Wash in Wellsburg, West Virginia, the official car wash of Mongo's Garage. Henry's back here in the back giving Casper a wash. Henry's sitting behind Casper so we can get it washed too. I'm going to start making it a mandatory thing that you have to wash a car before you buy it. That way you know washing the car gives you so much more insight on what's been done to it before you ever do anything. So Casper's not that bad. It's a lot better than I thought it was. Got it running pretty good now. KJ put the starter on it last night, so give him a hand getting this thing washed up, and then we're going to get Henry washed up. All right, well, there we go. We got two clean trucks again. Henry just needed a good wipe down and cleaned up a good bit. We also got the Casper done up here real good, so we're gonna go get some parts for the Stormtrooper and then head on back to the house. Up the road in Casper here, I think I've come to a realization. It's a good thing my son and I didn't grow up together, because we probably would have ended up in jail at some point. Oh, and you should probably just 7-3 swap everything. That would be a good idea. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got Kenny and Mongo out here in the yard. Kenny spent most of the day here today. Well, not most of the day, just after church, playing with Casper. Got some things done to him, like we talked about, or maybe we didn't talk about. The glow plug relay was not receiving ground from the PCM, so rather than buy a new PCM, which we probably have no idea what it costs because we didn't look it up. He went ahead and ran a ground wire to it, got rid of the PCM ground wire, and hooked up a ground wire through the cab. And then from there, it goes up here to this handy dandy fancy little button. And what that button will do is energize the glow plug solenoid. If you listen, that's the glow plug solenoid closing and energizing the glow plugs. Now this thing starts like it is supposed to, but you have to push the glow plug button, so we're not really concerned about that. Went ahead and installed a new radio. Got a touchscreen double DIN radio in it there from Advance. Looks real nice in the dash. It is Bluetooth, so now he can hook his phone to it. Maybe he'll be able to talk to me going down the road. I'm willing to bet you need speakers now, don't you?
No, they're not bad.
They're not bad?
The stock ones are pretty good in these trucks.
He went ahead and got the TS6 switch back in it. And one other thing, of course, we cleaned it up really good yesterday. Got the windows all cleaned up in it, cleaned the dash up. We are going to be changing these seats, I think, because I know KJ does not like them. But he did go ahead and get a new set of mirrors for the truck, simply because those other mirrors, we do not like them. He does not like them. And these are the mirrors he ended up with. He'll be changing the white door handles back to black door handles soon. And he is currently looking for a 6-liter front end for the truck so that he can get rid of the old 99.73 Power Stroke front end. It's a little loose in there. So Casper's already making a bunch of changes. It's already starting to look better. It definitely runs better already. The oil leak is back, so that wasn't fixed, even though we said it was fixed. So the cab may eventually have to come off of it so we can fix that oil leak. But for now, he's going to daily drive it, beat on it a little bit, figure out what's next. We do know it needs an exhaust system because it's a stock exhaust from the turbo back to about mid-cab, and then from there somebody finangled a, like KJ said in the first video, they got a bunch of stuff welded together on it. Yeah, that's awesome. He's already looking for a set of wides for it. I don't even know what these are. What are these, KJ? On it right now, LT 235, 285, 75 R16s. Those are 16s. So, if you know anybody that needs a nice set of black wheels, I'm sure these will be for sale soon. That's what we got going on right now. KJ will be getting parts in pretty soon for the dolly. Once that's in, we'll probably start working on that. But the one thing that we have decided on, and maybe you guys can give us some feedback on this or not, it is now Sunday, November the 6th or 7th. I don't know what day it is. It's the 6th or 7th. We are thinking about putting together some trucks or some cars to go to the World of Wheels in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. If we did, of course, Henry would be one of them, and we're thinking BOV1, which is my 85 Ford Bronco that obviously isn't done yet. So tell us what you think. Think we can get it done in time? You know how we love that deadline to get a project done. So, all right, the old Mongo Man is out. KJ, tell the people bye.
Bye.
Thanks, guys, for watching, and we definitely appreciate everybody coming out and subscribing to the channel. We've got over 1,000 subscribers now. That is awesome. And from this point, we got to work on that watch time. So if you do got some time, sit down and binge some of these videos. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you soon.